How's it going, guys? Just wanted to post a video on Apex doing an 80% off sale. I use Apex quite a bit and basically every day. I also wanted to show my new Tradeovate setup. Put some money in there. Like what I see so far, so I added some more. It should hit tomorrow or Tuesday. But anyways, yeah, and like I said, I'm pretty happy with the latency of Tradeovate. So, anyways, here's the code for the Apex PLIBDCVB. PLIBDCVB. That's 80% off. So, a $50,000 account. Let's go here. Okay, so $25,000 account goes from 150 to about 34, I believe, and then the $50,000 one goes from 167 to like 37. And I don't know, it's especially if you're trying to learn features, they're really beneficial in my opinion. I really think that, especially when you're starting out, like I switched over to $25,000 accounts because I don't usually want to go over 4 minis, which is $50 a point. You know, if I go over that, I'm messing up. And $1,500 profit goal is really doable, in my opinion. I've passed the 50K before. I just basically passed the 25,000, but I forgot that I had the $25,000 one set in my order entry, and I traded that, and I went and did something else and like Tradeovate and something else, and I lost $200 on the trade. So I'm now $200 away from passing that one, and I should have been Monday would be my completion day, because you have to have 10 days of trading. So a trade can be for a couple of seconds and you're good. So that's cool. And you can trade on holidays during breaking news, market move, like Fed speak, and you know, when they release data, market, you know, different data. The thing I don't like about these futures quote unquote prop accounts is the trailing threshold, which is if you're up, okay, so you have a $1,500 profit goal. If you get to $1,000 in one trade, your unrealized $1,000 in the green. If you let that trade go back to zero, you have used $1,000, and then you get out, you use $1,000 of your trailing threshold, of your $1,500 trailing threshold. So it forces you to be really conservative and, you know, take profits conservatively. So that's something that like I like with yeah, see, this is not tonight. I've made some really bad trades. Like, I don't know why I tried to long here. It just doesn't make sense. But like in hindsight, like if you look at the hourly, this did not, we were at resistance. Like, why was I going long here? It's because I was trading what I thought it was going to do, and trying to gamble and holding and hoping. So this is pathetic and embarrassing, really. But yeah, so anyways, live and learn. Thankfully it's only it was only a few micros, so I'm only down like $100. But I need to honor my stops, and if I get stopped out here, I need to, I don't know how this thing, there we go. So it's kind of like holding here, maybe. That roughly. So maybe it's this falling wedge forming here. I mean, we have been downtrending like crazy, so we could still just keep downtrending and just bleed out. I'm gonna throw another line up here from like and one here, because these, see, I don't like, there we go. Okay, so I have some lines to watch. It's not looking good though. I mean, this is like a head and shoulders basically, but it's at the bottom of a downtrend. But we're at hourly support. If like this guy, let me pull up this SPY hourly. Okay, no, it's ES really, but yeah, see, on SPY we're not there yet. We're almost there. But the ES one, we are closer to it. See, we're right there. So that's kind of what I'm banking on. But these are area, like I would think that tomorrow, like I wouldn't be surprised if we get a pop here and then maybe like a drop, like something like this. So that's my gambler's prediction. We'll see. But yeah, let me just my OCD is kicking in, so and delete that, but that's just my little guess there. Yeah, so remember guys, it is, if you use this code, I appreciate it. It is PLIBDCVB. I'll put it in the thumbnail and I will put it in the description. So I'm not going to keep you any longer. I appreciate you watching. This is a great way to learn the market, and it's only, you know, under $40. Just be conservative with them and treat it like it's real money, because especially on these sales, for me at least, it's easy to get carried away and, you know, spend a lot of money on these valuations. So yeah, so it looks like this may hold up potentially. I mean, who knows? Excuse me. Who knows? But I like what I'm seeing so far. It's kind of catching bounces off here a little bit. Yeah, but we're still downtrending, so until that changes, remain skeptical. So appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye.